हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। नमस्ते। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब लोग बहुत हैप्पी होंगे, खुश होंगे। सो गाइज़, मैंने देखा भी है बहुत सारे लोग अपने लो सिबिल स्कोर को लेके काफ़ी परेशान रहते हैं। कभी कभी होता है ना कि उनको इंस्टेंट लोन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है बट उन्हें नहीं मिल पाता। सो अगर आपका भी सिबिल 300 से कम है तो टेंशन ना लें, यहाँ से आप ले सकते हैं 1,000 से 7 लाख तक का लोन। तो क्या है, कैसे ले सकते हैं, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन है, चैनल को इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा क्योंकि ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव हो सकती है गाइस। So, welcome back to my YouTube channel again, guys. So, basically, a credit score serves as a vital measure of your financial well being. So, it provides lenders with a clear assessment of how you have managed your previous loans and determines your ability to repay future loans. Credit scores typically range from 300 to 850. A credit score above 700 is considered favorable, while a score between 400 and 500 is considered low. If your credit score falls between 600 and 700, you are eligible to apply for a loan. Today in this video I will explain you how you can apply for loan having low CIBIL score. So several factors influence your credit score. Like some common reasons for having a low credit score include having multiple personal loans, missing loan payments, maintaining a high credit utilization ratio, and failing to meet credit card commitments on time. So, contrary to popular belief, avoiding credit cards altogether does not guarantee a good credit score. Not having a credit card means you have no credit history. So, resulting in credit score of 0, this can lead to rejection when applying for personal loans. If your loan application is rejected multiple times, you may be tempted to apply to different banks. However, this practice can negatively impact your credit score. So, repeated rejections are detrimental to your credit worthiness. It is crucial to understand the significance of a credit score and take the necessary steps to maintain a healthy financial profile. So, by managing your loans responsibly and making timely payments, you can improve your credit score and increase your chances of obtaining future loans. So, low CIBIL score instant loans apps 2024. We will discuss how you can get the loan just if you have CIBIL score below 300. So, are you wondering how to get a loan low CIBIL score instant? So don't worry, there are practical tips to help you. Low CIBIL score instant loans apps 2024 out. Despite your low credit score, focus on your strong financial factors and capitalize on them. Here are some legitimate ways to increase your chances of getting a low CIBIL score instant loans apps 2024. So basically highlight your good earning potentials. If you are currently having a good income or have the potential for higher earnings in the future, it shows that you can repay your loans. This can greatly improve your chances of loan approval. Consider a co-applicant. If your spouse or a family member has a good credit score, applying for a loan together can boost your chances of approval. The strong credit history can offset your low credit score. Be open to higher interest rates. Some lenders offer loans to individuals with low credit score, but with higher interest rates. If you need immediate cash, this could be an option to consider. Peer-to-peer lending is also gaining popularity and can be explored. Explore collateral based loans. Even with a low credit score, certain lenders may approve your personal loan if you provide collateral. This can include assets like shares, property, fixed deposits, or gold. Work on improving your credit health. Although it takes time, focusing on rectifying your credit health is the best long term solution. So, basically, repay existing debts, improve your spending habits, make timely EMI payments, and pay utility bills on time. These small steps will gradually restore your credit health and make you more eligible for future loans. So you can follow the above tips which I have given you so that you guys can get the loan on time. So documentation required from low CIBIL score instant loan. So when applying for personal loan with a low credit score, several documents are typically required. These include a driver's license, Aadhaar card, passport, address proof, bank statements for the past 6 months, and salary slips for the past 6 months. For self-employed professionals or businessmen, additional documents may be necessary. These can include company registration information, GIN or service tax registration proof, 3 years profit and loss statements, 3 years balance sheets, and income tax returns for the past 3 years. So obtaining a personal loan with a low credit score may be challenging, but it is not impossible. While many traditional lenders place a strong emphasis on credit score, some alternative lenders may be willing to Negotiate loan terms to accommodate your situation. So, exploring different approaches such as negotiating with your current lender, borrowing against a deposit, or obtaining a loan against gold may increase your chances of securing a loan. So, before taking out a loan, carefully consider whether you truly need the funds and ensure that you will be able to repay the loan promptly. Taking on additional debt should not jeopardize your financial stability. So these were the certain tips that I wanted to share. So low CIBIL score instant loan application, how much rate of interest that you have to pay, like loan app name, Faircent, 12 to 80, 28% per annum. So if you are taking a loan in between 30,000 to 10 lakh. So if we talk about PaySense, 1.4% to 2.3% per month, 5,000 to 5 lakh loan. InCred, 16 to 36% per annum up to rupees 3 lakh. Credit B, 1.02 per month onwards, rupees 1,000 to 4 lakh. IAFL Finance, 12.75% to 33.75%, rupees 5,000 to 5 lakh, 2.50 per month onwards. So Cache, these are certain companies that provide loans, so they have different rates. So some take on the basis of per month, some charge on the basis of per annum, some per day, depending upon the situation. So this was the important information and the tips that I wanted to share amongst you. I hope these will be helpful to you. If you guys want, if you have a low credit CIBIL score and you want instant loan. So I think these tips will definitely help you out. So that's all guys. Thank you so much and stay tuned for my next video.